Whether you're questioning your abilities, feeling stuck, or battling negative thoughts that just won't quit, we're going to show you how to take control of your mindset and start believing in yourself again. Now, let's be honest. Self-doubt is like that annoying voice in the back of your head that says, "You're not good enough." It's the voice that pops up whenever you try something new or step outside your comfort zone. It makes you second-guess yourself, and before you know it, you're paralyzed by fear and uncertainty. But here's a little secret. Failure is not the end. It's just a lesson. And here's the kicker. Every successful person has experienced failure. They didn't let it define them, and neither should you. Think of the times in your life when you did succeed. Maybe you aced an exam, completed a project, or overcame something tough. You've already proven that you can succeed, so why listen to that voice telling you you can't? Next up, negative self-talk. This is the big one. You know what I'm talking about? You look in the mirror and hear things like, "I'm not smart enough," or "I'll never be as good as they are." But here's the trick. You have the power to change the conversation. Start by noticing those negative thoughts when they pop up and challenge them. Are they really true? Is there evidence to support them? If the answer is no, and trust me, it usually is, then it's time to replace that negativity with positive affirmations. Something like, "I am enough," or "I am capable of achieving great things." Write them down, say them out loud, and believe them. Here's an important tip. Building self-confidence is like climbing a mountain. It doesn't happen overnight, and it's okay if you stumble or take a step back. What matters is that you keep going one small step at a time.